Hi everyone and welcome to week 1. Every week I will start with a short video explaining what you need to accomplish for the week. So make sure that you take care of watching the getting started videos, and if you have any difficulties with Google Docs or Google Classroom, watch those tutorials. You can also check in with me during my office hours or make an appointment to meet with me if you have questions about basic usability of the Google Classroom. You know, this is an online course, so I had to make a choice about platform, and I really do think that for the kind of work that we're doing in this writing class, that this Google Classroom is the best choice, but sometimes it can be a little confusing at first. So if you have any of those initial questions, make sure you ask them right away, and I think once you get started with the classroom, things will be clear. Of course, make sure you read the course syllabus. Please add your name to the class directory. I've added a spreadsheet here with my contact information. A few of you have started to add your contact information, but this gives you a place where you can look up your classmates, find their contact information, and have a place where you can ask questions. You can find the course breakdown, the course calendar, and then of course information about the Writing Center, which I want to highly encourage all of you to take advantage of. While you're here at UAA, you have free access to really great writing tutors. So this is another great source of information about the class. I've also given you some directions for how to troubleshoot some basic connectivity issues with your internet connection. Also, you have the opportunity to talk to information technology services. So make sure you call them if you're having difficulties. And then, since this is a science writing class, we're using the APA style manual, which is the closest major style manual to most sciences. So if you're in biology or in another discipline, you might use a slightly different manual, but APA is really similar to most major science manuals, so I encourage you to learn it well this semester. I've offered a template here for you that shows all the correct formatting for an APA student paper. So you could open this at any time, make a copy of this file, and then it'll be saved in your Google documents, and you can change this to the title of your paper, and you have a fully formatted paper ready to go. As I get questions from folks, I will post frequently asked questions here. If you have one of these, check out my short answer. So here we are in week 1. You're going to watch a short video that I filmed introducing academic writing to you, or at least how I feel about academic writing. Your media for this week are some videos by our librarian who's going to talk to you about researching, which will be an important part of this class. Your first assignment is an introduction, and so you'll open this shared Google document, and you'll see that I've written an introduction to you, and I see at least one classmate is in this document as well. I've introduced you to myself in about 1 page. On the next page, I would like one of you to start typing, to write your name, and to give us a 1-page introduction. And that way you get a chance to share with me, but also with everyone else who's in the class. I'll also ask you to copy and paste that introduction then into the Google Classroom assignment when you turn it in, so that I can see that you've met that assignment. This week, you will also take a syllabus quiz. So if you click here, this will take you to a Google form that is asking you to answer some basic questions about the syllabus that will help direct you to some of the most important information. And then this week you're also going to complete a communication inventory, kind of in the same style of the introduction, where we're writing together in a shared document. That also gives us ideas about how our peer review and some of our interactive workshops will work this semester. We'll be working in a shared document together. And while Google Docs can be a little bit of a learning curve at first, I think in the end you're going to find it to be a great tool. No more excuses about ever losing your work, because when you're using Google Docs or really any of the Google Suite, all of your work is automatically saved, and you can easily share it with others. You can comment, you can ask me questions in your document, and this is a way that we can interact even when we're doing distance-based learning. So even though we're, not physically getting together, make sure that you do check in with me, and I look forward to hearing from you all this semester. Good luck this week, and make sure to speak up if you have any questions. Take care.